Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael. Today I'm making a keto-friendly dish. This is a creamy garlic chicken with bacon and spinach. So stick with me. I'm going to show you all the ingredients because you want to get those all prepped first because this is going to go really quickly. So I've got 4 chicken thighs here and I have deboned those and taken the skin off of them. And now we're just going to salt and pepper them. And I'll do the other side when I put them in the skillet when I get ready to turn them over because I don't want the seasoning to come off of them. And I've got 1 teaspoon of paprika and I'm just going to sprinkle some of that over the top. Now that I've got that seasoned, let's set that to the side. For other ingredients, I've got 1 cup or 240 milliliters of heavy cream. I've got 3 cloves of garlic that I've minced up. I've got a pinch of red pepper flakes. This is optional. If you don't want this, you don't have to put that in there. I like the little bit of heat that that's going to bring to it. I've got 3 slices of hickory smoked bacon. This is the thick sliced, and I've cut that up into little pieces. This is 3 slices. I've got 2 cups of spinach, or that's 60 grams, and I've got a half a cup of grated Parmesan, or that's 50 grams. Now let's go to the stove and let's get started. All right, I've got my skillet heating up now, and to that I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I want to get a good coating on the bottom of that so that my chicken has an opportunity to cook on that. So 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil, or you can use avocado oil if you like that better. All right, now I'm going to add my chicken thighs and I'm going to put the seasoning side down. Just give that a little move around on the bottom there. And we'll go ahead and add the rest of this chicken in. Now that we've got our chicken in, I'm going to come in with my seasoning and continue to put the salt and pepper on the top. And we'll sprinkle a little bit more of that paprika on the other side. Now we want to cook that about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. We want that chicken to be completely done, and the internal temperature should be 165 Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius for that internal temperature per the USDA standards. If you like the chicken to be a little bit more on the brown side, then definitely leave it in there a little bit longer, and that internal temperature will definitely come up. But the minimum that you want is 165 Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. So now that we've got our chicken cooked, I'm going to remove it and set it to the side. Now in the same skillet, I've got the flame turned down on low. I'm going to add my bacon. And I'm going to cook that until it's completely done. All right, I've got my bacon crispy now, and I'm going to add in my garlic, and I'm going to saute that for about 30 seconds. Now I'm going to add in my heavy cream and my grated Parmesan. And I'm going to stir that around until that's thickened. It should take a couple of minutes to do that, but I've got my heat down on low. Now my sauce is thickened up here. You can see that. That looks really nice. Now we're going to add in our spinach, and I'm going to let that wilt for about a minute or two. It don't take long for that at all to wilt down. Now that my spinach is wilted down, I'm going to put my chicken back in now, and we're going to warm it back up. I'm going to grab me a spoon, and I'm going to put some of that sauce over the top of my chicken. That looks absolutely delicious. I wish you were here to smell this. I know you're going to love this recipe. So I'm going to heat this up for a minute or two just to bring the chicken back up again, just to warm it up. But just put some of that sauce over the top of your chicken, and I'll meet you back and we'll give this a taste test. I am back, and I'm going to give my chicken here a taste test. I want you to look how pretty this is with all that spinach in there and that cream sauce in the bottom. This looks absolutely delicious. I'm going to cut me a little piece of it and give it a try. It smells incredible. I smell that garlic coming through there. That smells really nicely. Look at that, how tender that is. That looks really good. And the smell is incredible. Let's give it a try. Oh my goodness. That is so good. Tender. I love the garlic flavor that's coming through that. That heavy cream sauce that's in there makes that really nice on the top of that. That spattering of that spinach through there. This is a really nice dish, and it is keto friendly. Give this one a try. I know you're going to love it. If you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And while you're at it, check out one of these other two videos over here on the side. You might find something that you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Give this creamy garlic chicken with spinach and bacon a try. I know you're going to love it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.